Hey, my unique followers! It's me, Kelly, the creative mastermind behind Unique Designs by C&K. We're back with another tutorial on Tedooo. This time we're going to go over on how to start your shop. You've been on the app for a little while and you're ready to create a shop. But a quick note, Tedooo does not pay me for these tutorials. I'm doing this of my own free will in my free time. So, let's get into it. You've opened up the app. Go to your menu. And you would click Add New Shop. And this is what it looks like when you click on that. And let's get started. But see, I already have mine. So it's going to pop up and it's going to look like my shop. Just like that, just blank. Nothing in it. So let's start. I'll show you how to edit and add things to your shop. So click Edit Details, the little three dots up in the corner. Click Edit Details. And then you will give your shop a name, talk about your shop, and then you go to the next style. What category are you? Are you home and living, wedding and party, toys and entertainment? What is the items you are creating? So you click next, and just some of the keywords. Like for me, it's glitter. I use resin, and I get third gifts. You got a whole bunch of stuff. Handmade gifts. I do have candle holders. I had to look. Sometimes I get fat fingered in my shop. Then after you've done that, hit continue. And then this is where you're gonna put all your shop information. Like if you have a business email, all your social media links, and your business websites, your location. And then you go here and you can add a cover image. You see mine's really cute. I like mine. And this is your catalog where you could add things this way, or you could skip over that and you hit continue. This is what you accept for payment method. You click this. See, I can show you. Add another one. They got a variety of payment, and they added more on me. Okay, we just learned something today. They added new ones to me. So this is what you can right now is available on Tedooo to list as payments. And after you've done all that, you do which countries are you willing to deliver to, whether United States or whatever. Then you click next. And then you go, awesome, now your next steps, this is update your catalog, and you could publish it now. You hit publish, and it'll update your shop. Now, quick note, new shops take up to 24 hours to be approved. Tedooo goes through and makes sure your links are valid links, that when people click on them, they go where you're saying it's going. Just to protect everybody. So you got this little camera. You can add a profile picture or you got moments. But in the next tutorial, I'll show you how to add items to the catalog. At least how I do it. I can show you an easy way to do it. Or you could do it your way. So this is all for now. This is what your shop will look like when you start it. So, please note some of the things you might not see because I'm pro. I have the paid membership. But you don't have to have it to start the shop. It's absolutely free. So, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Or you can email me or message me, whichever you feel like. And so, until next time, be you, be unique.